Are you struggling to start your Hadoop Resource Manager and NodeManager? You're not alone. Many users face this issue, and today, we're going to help you troubleshoot it step by step. I completely understand how frustrating it can be when you're trying to set up a single node cluster and you keep getting connection refused errors. It's a common hurdle, and we're here to tackle it together. Here's the situation. One user reached out saying they followed the Apache guide for Hadoop 3 Alpha 3, but encountered exceptions in the Resource Manager and NodeManager logs after running the start all script. Sound familiar? Let's dive into the details. So, what could be causing these exceptions? It often relates to configuration issues or compatibility problems with Java versions. We'll break down the logs and identify potential fixes. And stick around. At the end of this video, I'll share a crucial tip that can help prevent these issues in the future. To address the issue with the Resource Manager and NodeManager, the user should first check the Java version being used. Hadoop 3 typically requires Java 8, so it's important to ensure that the correct version is installed. Next, the user should verify the configuration files for any potential errors. This includes checking the core site.xml, HDFS site.xml, mappred site.xml, and yarn site.xml files for correct syntax and values. The user should also ensure that the environment variables are set correctly in the Hadoop env.sh file. This includes confirming that Java Home points to the correct Java installation. After making these adjustments, the user should restart the Hadoop services. This can be done by running the startall.sh script again to see if the issue persists. Finally, if the problem continues, the user should review the Resource Manager and NodeManager logs for any additional error messages that could provide further insight into the issue. Fun fact, did you know that Hadoop was originally developed by Doug Cutting and Mike Caffarella in 2005? It has come a long way since then, but setup issues can still trip us up. Now, let's look at the answers provided by other users. An alternative solution provided by another user involves switching from Java 11 to Java 8. They suggest removing any existing Java installations, downloading Java 8, and updating the Java Home variable in the hadoop-env.sh file. After that, they recommend stopping all Hadoop services and restarting the distributed file system and yarn. Now, let's see a response from a different user. An alternative solution comes from a user who faced similar issues with Hadoop. They discovered that using OpenJDK 17 caused problems and switched to OpenJDK 8. Here's how they resolved the issue. First, uninstall the previous version of Java. You can do this by running the command to remove OpenJDK. There are several options for removal. Next, install OpenJDK 8 using the command sudo apt install OpenJDK A. After installation, check the Java version to confirm. Then edit the Java Home variable in the hadoop-env.sh file to point to the new Java installation. Use the command to open the file. Finally, stop all daemons, start the name node and data node, and then start the Yarn Resource Manager and NodeManager. Check if all daemons are running using the JPS command. With these steps, the user successfully set up Hadoop. They hope this detailed guide helps others facing similar issues. Here's a pro tip. Always check the compatibility of your Java version with Hadoop before installation. This simple step can save you a lot of headaches down the road. And there you have it. By following these steps, you should be able to resolve the Resource Manager and NodeManager startup issues. If you found this video helpful, please subscribe for more troubleshooting tips.